Do you sometimes spend way too much time on text editing and working inefficiently with mouse? Does your mouse hand bother you? Maybe your internet usage could be more fluent. Nowadays, computer usage is fairly easy and basic users get a lot done. But still, we all can learn to use computers more efficiently. If you want to learn new ways to ease your work, this playlist is for you. In this Oulu University of Applied Sciences IT Services Tips and Tricks playlist, you will get universal tips to boost your work on computer. Notice that you don't need to learn everything at once, and you should only try to learn things you believe could help in your work. Learning new skills will take time, but you will only learn them by persistently using them. These shortcuts are for Windows, but they are usually the same as in Mac, except you will need to use Command key in place of Control. We will be adding new videos to this playlist as they come. If you wish a topic to be addressed in a video, please leave your ideas in the comment section.